vintage tractor show. Where else would you go on the Sunday? Right, we're coming towards the end of the summer. I didn't think I'd be looking at tractors. I'm not actually mad into tractors, but there's more to it meets the eye. So have a little look around, see what you think. It's not as bad as you might think. Wouldn't do that for me, would you?
Sorry?
You wouldn't close it for me?
But it is unusual. So a few of them around.
Yeah.
Very well, thank you.
What's your name?
Jim Kelly.
Jim, what make is that car?
It's a Nova made a kit.
Yeah.
Ferrari and Lamborghini bought them as replicas. There's 350 of them made in the world. There's not too many of them around, as you can understand.
Yeah.
I rebuilt it. I bought it for €500. I spent €12,000 doing it up. So that's the downside. I can sell it tomorrow morning for 35,000.
35
Not to let go for that without letting the same gentleman know. It's only a kit car. It's not in the category of ordinary Lamborghinis. But the fact that they're so rare, there's so few of them around, makes it all the more presentable. And every kid in the country is crazy about it.
Shit. Oh, thanks very much.
Okay, I'm very good.
Right, how are you? How's the day going?
The day is going very well, actually, yes.
Yep.
Yes, we're very, very, very pleased with the day.
Good.
This is the secretary here.
Okay. Sorry, what's your name?
Sabrina Murphy.
Sabrina Murphy. Yeah, thanks, Sabrina.
It's going to St. Cormac's Soccer Club. Talks to Tom and Gorey and Joan and friends, as she's doing it for the cardiac unit in Wexford General Hospital.
Okay, very. So it's actually quite extensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, great. Good. And what time are you finishing up tonight at?
Roughly around 5 o'clock.
Around 5, and that's it. Yeah.
Finish time, yes.
Yeah. All right, listen, thanks for the interview.
You're very welcome indeed.
Okay.
Thanks very
Come again, no
How are you?
Hello.
How are you doing?
We're doing very well, thank you.
Right.
Business has been absolutely booming. We're just taking a little rest, aren't we?
That's right, a breather.
How'd you get on? Okay.
Don't even ask, my dear man.
You look like you've had a few drinks the way your glasses are hanging on your hat.
She got you an ice cream. It's sitting there,
Yeah, and it's melting away.
All right.
Please go.
I'll go and get it. Where is it? Oh, check it.
Is this daily? Oh, what is it?
That! That's my ice cream.
That's your ice cream.
You went away as soon as I got it for you.
It looks like somebody's already had a go at it.
Well, it wasn't me, I
Well,
promise.
she came back with one for your friend. One for me.
Neil.
Brilliant, yeah.
Yeah.